Hey everyone, I just got my July 2016 Yarn Crush package in the mail today. So let's see what we got. First of all, we got heartfelt. It's a shawl lace edging chart. Ooh. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, I like those collars. Alright, let's get rid of the crepe paper, see what all we got in here. The goodies. Okay, so it costs $32, I think $95 or something like that a month. This month was $50.99 value. Some stuff, coupon codes, you can pause that if you need to. I'll leave that sitting out. Let's see what we've got here. Here are the patterns. Okay. Those are both really pretty. I love how the patterns are printed out on cards, because they're cards. They're not just regular paper. So that's really cool. So we got our crochet pattern, our knit pattern. Both patterns are really pretty. And it comes with this pin. That's actually a really pretty pin too. Which the collar in the picture is a red, but let's look at the yarn. It's Space Cadet, SpaceCadetYarns.com. It feels really soft. It's like a linen. No, it's just 100% superwash merino. Huh. And it's saying that it is a lace weight, which we'll see. That's definitely pretty thin. And 875 yards, so that is a lot of yarn. But look at all the different texture and the collars in that. That is going to make something very beautiful. Alright guys, that is all I got for my Yarn Crush subscription this month. Very pretty yarn. Beautiful, beautiful patterns. I'll hold both those up. Again, those are both very pretty. Very nice patterns. And I got a cool little pin with it. So it's a very nice box this month. I guess that's really all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below. And again, thank you for watching.